Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.